on growth of mining sector, changes in the legal framework, manpower requirements, skills, competencies required, and the policies required for the growth of mining sector.
That is Goa Engineering College, Institution of Engineers India, Goa State Center, and Mining Engineers Association of India. Goa College of Engineering is the first engineering college of Goa, founded in 1967. It conducts 7 degree courses, 8 postgraduate courses, and it also offers doctorate programs. The Mining Engineering Department was started in the year 2011 as one of the unique public-private partnerships models under the state government.
Touched to our heart, and it has been our present hot topic due to closure of mining operations in the state of Goa, and it has badly affected the economy of the state. Not only mining dependents are affected by the closure, but approximately around 3 to 3.5x. But also there is a heavy adverse impact on the state economy. As we all know that mining industry has been our backbone for past several years, even during the Portuguese regime, where we liberated 1961. The mining impact has gone behind mineral extraction and processing. It is linked to many other industries and sectors directly or indirectly, including transportation, construction, equipment manufacturing, environmental and geological services, education and research, so on and so forth. One day or other, there would be a commendable growth of mining industry as in the case of a state, and problems and challenges that would have to be faced by the government as well as mining industry. Being given to understand that this seminar is designed for all mining engineers, consultants, professionals, students, so also organizations engaged in mining related activities. Competition is increased almost say about 4 times, and it was a problem to each and every citizen of that particular area. This type of things are to be discussed today's seminar. Very important it is. Administrative remarks are very important in terms of mining environment. In order to strike balance between a sustainable development, ecology and environment, government as well as mining companies and local communities must work and cooperate in tandem in the best interest of the state to preserve social fabric.